Welcome to ElementsKit, the ultimate Elementor add-on, trusted by over 2 million users. Today, we'll show you how to transform your workflow and build high-performance websites without leaving your favorite builder. Once you've installed and activated the plugin, first, let's look at your control panel. Navigate to ElementsKit on your dashboard. Here, you have total control. You can turn individual modules and widgets on or off, keeping your website lightweight and fast. Only load what you use. Creating a page is easy. Simply navigate to Pages, then Add New, and click Edit with Elementor. If you want a head start, click the ElementsKit layout icon to access our library of pre-designed templates and sections. For complex sites, standard menus aren't enough. ElementsKit lets you build a powerful mega menu. Just enable the Mega Menu module in your WordPress menu settings, and you can build your dropdowns using the full power of Elementor, adding images, icons, or even product lists. Next, head to the Header/Footer module. You can create a custom header or footer from scratch, or use a template. This is also where you can enable the sticky header feature, ensuring your navigation stays visible as users scroll. Get complete control with advanced design elements. Organize content with advanced accordions, tabs, and toggles, or showcase your work with the video gallery and team sliders. For more control, use conditional content to show or hide sections based on user roles, and protected content to lock specific data. To speed up your design, use cross-domain copy-paste to move sections between different websites instantly. And if you need a truly unique tool, our Widget Builder allows you to code your own custom widgets right from the dashboard. Make your site feel alive with trendy animations like Apple liquid glass effects, parallax backgrounds, and particle effects. You can also add advanced tooltips for better UX, or use one-page scroll to turn your layout into a smooth, interactive presentation. You're now ready to design without limits. For a deeper dive into every feature, be sure to explore our extensive blogs and documentation at Wpmet.com.